up, man?
Sup, bro? What's going on, guys? Alex and Brandon here, back from Royal Street Krew, and today you're watching another RSK video.
No, not. Stop dancing over there, making me laugh. What's going on, guys? Obviously, judging by the title of this video, it's not a good one. This is what's happened to me and Alex over the past week. That's why we haven't posted. I'm just going to run you through what's happened to the cars and everything. So, first of all, after the JDM meet, we waited a good 40 minutes before we left with everyone. Well, after everyone else left. Highway Patrol officer ended up following me, and obviously I was at the back of the pack behind all the P-platers. He pulled me over and he looked over at my car, which I'll show you in a second, and got me for, oh, look at the sunlight, and got me for my tyres overhanging the body of the car and my pod filter not being enclosed, which I don't know how it goes in America, but in Australia that's not allowed. I got a defect for it. So had to get that cleared, so I brought my car all the way to stock. Had to book it in to get a blue slip to clear it. I've obviously put the rims and that back on right now. I think I'm going to roll the guards and make an enclosed box for the pod filter, which then should make that all legal. I mean, I don't know how it's going to go after I put the behind mount turbo on it, but we won't talk about that yet. And then 2 days after that, it was, what day was it? Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So the meet was on Sunday. And we were going to head to our mate's place, and I realised my car was like super sticky to the road. I'm like, what the hell is wrong with it? Anyway, Alex over here fixed it for me. So that was the second thing, and everything happens in threes. Everything. And the biggest and baddest thing happened last, and it didn't happen to be me. It happened to be. What was that?
You guys don't want to see what's really happened today.
Well, let's have a gaze at this.
Okay, so when we were on the way to our friend's house, we were going to talk about some stuff to do with the channel and all that. I was on the way to fix Brandon's car after we'd visited my mate's house.
We were going to collab.
Oh yes, we're going
secret collab.
We're going to a secret collab, and we were pulling up into this parking spot. After looking around, we picked a parking spot, and some guy, as I was reversing, has come around the corner and cleaned up my car. So we'll show you what's happened. So this is what it's supposed to look like over here. And
that's a nice rear bar.
This is what he has done to my car. And that is the better looking side, as I've popped the rear bumper out. Yeah, but as you can see, he has done quite the damage.
But what happened to his car?
Well, he had a Navara, Nissan Navara, a big ute with a bull bar on it, and not a mark, not a dent, not a scratch. On the inside here, it's all bent, and it's actually popped the tail light bit out there. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was the big finisher to end off the week. So yeah, as you can tell, we've had a really bad week with Brandon's car, and now this happening.
This just means bigger and better things.
Yeah, bigger and better things, you know? Meanwhile too, me and Alex, because I was in the car with Alex, we were stuck in the street because the guy didn't want to exchange details. And we waited over, what, 3.5 hours? Yep. Waited over 3.5 hours just for police to turn up. So, a long time just for, so far, nothing until insurance gets sorted. But yeah, until then I'm going to be driving around like this.
Like a potato.
My car is usually one of the cleanest around, and that's just really made me not want it anymore.
And what about the hole?
Yeah, if you can see here next to the exhaust, Brandon, get down there and have a look. That is indeed the rear sensor just there. After that, we did drive the car back to Brandon's house, and we ended up fixing the tyre, so that was the only good part about that day. So yeah.
Oh, so that's why
we haven't
been posting.
Yeah, we haven't had any content.
Because it wasn't just because we're over it now. We're not over it. We've got plenty of content.
We have stuff coming that is going to blow your mind.
Oh yeah.
But this is a major setback that did happen on Tuesday afternoon. At the same time we were fixing Brandon's tyres. So not everything works out the way you want it to. Yeah. But yeah.
Alright, so that's it for our cars.
Oh, and by the way, the cars were clean about an hour ago. But yeah, the weather decided
Australian
to
weather.
Bad,
we can't complain.
For the past 3 months, we've had no rain. The second we open the channel, it
floods.
It floods. It's good for the Australian bushfires though.
Yeah, that's why I'm not complaining.
And the droughts, but it does make the rigs very dirty.
It is hideous right now.
Yeah, they were clean, but not angry about it.
Your rims are like matte grey, man.
Yep. Yeah.
What's the get up?
They were gloss black.
Anyway, so we're gonna head to
mine now, as I've got some parts to put on the MPS, and with plenty of daylight still around, we can install them. So stay tuned, we'll head to mine now.
Hey yo, I've just started the rig, and from now on this is my life until we get fixed. As you can see there, it is a rear sensor fault. As my rear sensor is no longer in the bar. Thank you, Navara guy. Check out what we got going today. Hey, we matching. We'll check out what we got in store today for the MPS.
There's so much stuff in here.
What's up, my bruh?
Oh, you know.
What do we got going on?
Things to install. I want to show them this while I clean up some stuff.
What do we got? Torque Solutions short shifter kit for the MPS. So that will be fun to install and test out. Alright, so first things first, we have to remove all the console
cup holder, which just
pops out.
Unclips like that. Let me put that near your feet there, buddy.
Down there.
Alright, then we got to take the shift knob off.
Undo the knob.
Try it, man. It's our workout. After we already trained today, chest for the lads.
Yep. We got a lot of red going here. We got the shoes, got the MPS, we got the seat cover.
I need a new knob.
Yeah, we'll check that out while he's having a look there. As you can see, we got a little bit of wear. So yeah, might be thinking of going the cob knob. Oh, what did you just do there? We missed
I
that.
just pulled this up.
Just pulled
it's
the
just
shift
clips.
boot. It's all clips and that. So
it's pretty easy.
yeah, this is what we are left with.
And we just need to get to these.
We need to undo the 310 mils there. Or 410 mils there.
And that's it.
And that should pull
and
out.
lift up the rubber ones that are underneath, because this is probably can't. Yeah, that has play.
Yep.
And it's probably going to have no play.
And then,
so we'll get to that.
Then we'll chuck this bad boy in.
Are we recording?
Alright, so as we can see,
Yep, good.
we got
That's second.
That's
third.
Third.
No, that's fourth.
Wow.
You said it
Wow,
too.
I did say that. Anyway, so that's from neutral to fourth, and that is from fourth to third. So as you can see, that's quite a long
It's
throw.
like, go.
Yep. So we are
It's like this big.
we are going to be removing.
I think it's like, no, I think it's 30%.
20 or 30% of that today.
I think that's
so,
the 30%.
We'll see once we put it in if you guys can tell a difference.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the rig. Oh, mind the dirty
F6?
windscreen. We got two Tune Legends stickers. As you can see, we got a blue and silver and the red and
I
white.
need more extension.
You need more extension?
Yep.
So what have we done so
extra
far?
length.
We've got the back two out. We just need to get the front two out, and we can show you what's next.
Oh, God. Tell me you
don't
didn't
do
get that.
that.
Oh, my God.
Do not do
You
that.
did not get that.
Do not do that when you are installing. What are we doing there, Brandon?
Just, at the moment, I really don't want to talk about it.
Okay, so where we are at the moment, we have the whole shifter loose.
I'm trying to get these out. Okay.
They just pop out.
I don't want to talk about how long that just took.
So we've just had a little bit of complication.
The top spacer didn't fit in here, so what we've done is sent it all the way down real slow so it didn't crack the plastic, and it worked.
So we chucked the washer in at an angle, and then we slowly screwed the little bolt in there, and it eventually flattened out. So now what we're going to do, we're going to chuck these solid bushings in there, and then we should be able to do the other part of the short shifter install.
Yeah.
Alright, now to chuck the trim pieces back in the car. We have the shift boot surrounding there. And now giving him the cup holders.
With your keys in it. Cool, man. Do I get a free F6 with that?
F6, not yet, not yet. Soon though, soon.
Let's go here.
Now to the engine to install the short shifter plate.
It's that way. Yeah. Easy money.
And
oh God, that's hot.
that up.
Drop it, drop it. Yep.
And just like that, the whole thing's out. Now that is indeed
Feel it.
a defect.
Touch it.
That is warm. And now all you got to do is pop that top bushing off there. I mean linkage.
Easy. Take the weight off. which they don't supply you a weight. Some of the other kits do give you a weight, but I'm just going to use the stock weight with it, and then it's just going to go in there. Easier than the bushings, that's for sure.
Yep.
Oh,
and they are extremely tight.
bro, what the hell?
Stop dropping stuff, man.
I don't even know where that went.
Let us have a look.
I need answers.
Oh, there it is.
You can see it?
Guys, you can see
Where?
it. Just there.
You put it over the bigger hole, and then what you do is you push it into the small bit so it stays in, and the actual L shape of the torque solution goes underneath.
The bolts.
And then that's it, you just use the existing bolts.
Okay, so putting the intake back on, we took the cover off, and the cover off there, just for extra room. So after we get this all bolted back in, we will go for a test rip. That's sweet, let's test it out.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're gonna make that easy.
Second gear and third will spin 100%. Alright, didn't that time.
So that'll be all for this video, guys. We installed the short shifter plate and the bushings. Until then, leave a like, subscribe, comment, you know the go. And until then, we'll catch you on the flip side.